back with another video, doing it on a 2006 Pontiac Torrent, having an overheating problem. Tried my thermostat, tried to flush, checked everything, nothing was working. And when I went to change my rad fluid came out pink on in the reservoir. So I was like, what's going on here? Pink rad fluid. I did put in previously the green stuff, normal antifreeze. I don't remember, GM calls for like a certain type of rad fluid, but I was just putting in generic stuff just because I was having problems here, couldn't figure it out, and traced it to that, which is your transmission cooler, and that's inside the rad. What was happening was I was having tranny fluid mixing in with my rad fluid, causing it to overheat, and found out that a lot of them are having this problem. Same thing with a transmission oil cooler or something like that. What happens in most cases is antifreeze doesn't have enough pressure to go into the transmission, but the transmission has enough pressure to push out and put the transmission fluid into your rad fluid. But yeah, there you go. If you're having this problem, overheating problem, and you can't figure it out, check that out. Check out your rad fluid. If it's a pink milky substance, I believe it was, that I was having, just didn't look normal. I knew something wasn't right, and traced it to that. But yeah, that's on the 2006 Pontiac Torrent all-wheel drive 3.4 liter 3400 V6. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.